How's it going, Power Stoke Nation? Hope you guys are all managing to stay cool out there. It is a scorcher today. So we've got the AC on full blast, so hopefully you guys can hear me just fine. We are on the way to go pick up my wife's truck. I just got the windows tinted. I am very excited to see that and to share that with you guys. That is not the whole thing of today's video. My brother-in-law actually gave me a call as I was on the way out and let me know that there is a huge truck show going on in Albany. It's not just any truck show. It is the No BS OBS truck show. So it is all OBS 7.3s, and I know you guys are going to love it. So I'm very excited to share that with you, but for now, I will see you guys when we get to the tint shop to show off the tint on my wife's truck, and we'll be over there at the truck show. All right, you guys, so we showed up at the tint shop, and I'm looking at the window tint right now. It looks incredible. Boom. I love when the truck is no longer a fishbowl. Look at this. We went tint all the way around on this thing. So it's nice and dark, protects the interior, and we went with the ceramic window tint. So what that's gonna do is actually protect the interior and keep it nice and cool on the inside, which is really exciting. It's gonna be really, really nice. So these guys told us it'd be about 4 to 6 hours, which is, I was like, that's actually pretty good because my truck took about 2 or 3. Now these guys knocked this out in about 3 hours. So if you guys need anything done, head over to Precision Auto and Tint. These guys do an awesome job. All right, you guys, so we have arrived at the show. You guys can get a little sneak peek behind me. Wyatt, the guy that told me about this show. I'm super excited. We're gonna talk it over and we're gonna go walk through. So from my understanding, this is a strictly OBS show. There is no Super Duties whatsoever. I see a couple brick noses, and as you can see, we got a couple OBSs. So let's go ahead and start filming. guys, so that was the No BS OBS truck show. That was a really cool event, really well put together, a lot of cool booths and a lot of really cool truck. Now I would have entered the old 7.3 in, but it is absolutely disgusting and it is a strictly OBS show. I mean, I should have got that from the name, No BS OBS truck show. Nonetheless, it was really cool, a lot of really good builds. I mean, some of those trucks made me feel like I was about 4 foot tall. My head barely hit the mirror. But they were absolutely beautiful, well taken care of trucks. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your favorite truck of the entire video was down in the comments below. If you guys want to help support the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you watch every video. And if you really want to help out, head down to the description below. I've got product links for KC Turbos. If you use my link, it helps the channel. And I've also got some pretty good merch that I'm really excited about. We have some new stuff launching for the 10K, which will be announced on my thank you for 10K video. So that's it for today's video. Again, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys are staying cool out there. It is freaking hot. And again, as always, thank you for watching.